Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. We will talk about the development stages now. We all know that human life proceeds through different stages. So here you can see we have prenatal stage, then we have infancy, then childhood, adolescence and adulthood. So we will be going through all these stages one by one, and we will be focusing on the dominant feature of a particular stage. So each stage has a dominant feature or characteristic which is the indicator of a normal growth and development of that particular stage. We all have some social expectations of a child to learn something at a particular age. For example, when we talk about walking, talking, we all have some expectations that at a particular age the child should be able to do that particular task, which are known as developmental tasks. So we are going to talk about those tasks now. So first we will start with prenatal stage, which is the stage which starts from the conception and it goes on till the birth. So the period from conception to birth is known as prenatal stage, which is usually of about 40 weeks. During this stage, both genetic and environmental factors are affecting the development of the child, and it is mostly the maternal characteristics. Maternal characteristics means everything which is happening to the mother is going to the child, because child is not born yet. This stage is stillbirth, means as soon as the birth take place, prenatal stage ends. So when the child is at prenatal stage, whatever the mother is doing, whatever the mother is eating, the emotional state of the mother, the health state of the mother, everything is affecting the child. And there is very much risk of teratogens here. Teratogens are something which are environmental agents that can cause deviations in normal development. So, serious abnormalities or even death could be caused due to teratogens at this particular stage. So, if I give you some example, like if the mother is taking drugs or if she is smoking or taking alcohol, these things work as teratogens and cause abnormality before birth. And when the child is born, he is already having so many problems, physical problems. So these are these things which are the mother is taking, these environmental factors. For example, marijuana, drugs, alcohol, tobacco. When the mother is consuming these things, they work as teratogens and they cause serious illness to the child. So at particular stage of prenatal, these things are very important to be noted, that the maternal characteristics and teratogens are directly affecting the growth of the child. Next, we will talk in detail about infancy, in which we will talk about the sensory abilities of the infant, the motor abilities, which include a part of reflexes, different reflexes, cognitive abilities, which are given by Jean Piaget, and then socio-emotional abilities, which includes the stages of socio-emotional development by Erikson. And there is an experiment to be discussed which was done by Harlow. So we'll discuss in our further videos. Thanks for watching.